If you're an aviation enthusiast, you need to know about the rise of Russian fighter jets. Let's soar through history together. From the Soviet era to modern marvels, Russia's fighter jets have carved out a formidable reputation in military aviation. Let's take off with the iconic MiG-15, a game-changer during the Korean War. Then the MiG-21, the most produced supersonic jet in history. Jumping to the Cold War, we find the lightning-fast MiG-25 and the Su-27, the backbone of Russian air superiority. And the MiG-29? A versatile multi-role fighter that's still respected today. Fast forward to the modern era, the Su-35, with its thrust vectoring redefining agility, and the Su-57, Russia's first fifth-generation stealth fighter. But how do they stack up against Western jets like the F-22, F-35, and Eurofighter Typhoon? Russian jets stand out with their agility, rugged design, and cost-effectiveness. Looking ahead, the Su-75 checkmate might be the next game-changer. With AI and drone integration, Russia's air combat strategy is evolving fast. Despite sanctions and stiff competition, Russia's air power remains strong. The future? Expect more innovation and dominance in the skies.